This is a video presentation of lot 307. This is 307. It's a Haas SL10 with the tailstock. It does have the tool presetter as well. Go ahead and run it. Sorry about that finger there. Got the Z axis. Machine's very quiet. Go ahead and simulate a turret change. And we'll go ahead and fire up the spindle. It does have the chip conveyor, foot pedals, it's kind of hard to get over here, but I'll verify the serial number. It's going to be kind of sideways, sorry. 308-4452, manufactured 12 of 08. This concludes the video presentation of lot 307, Haas SL10.